What is going on, guys? If y'all haven't seen the previous video where I did a garage reveal, make sure you go check that out. I'll link the card right here. So go watch that video first before you watch this one. So today I'm going to start doing some stuff to my garage to improve it. So the first thing we're going to do, I'm going to show you the clip of last night where I changed out these old bulbs for these LEDs. Kind of want to show you before and after what those look like. So I'm going to go to that clip right now. Alright guys, I'm filming this before I do like my garage reveal video, but these old bulbs are driving me nuts. Now I do have 4 big shop lights I'm going to install in the back of the garage, but it's nighttime out here and it's really dim in here. It's really hard to see, so I'm hoping I'm going to put these LED daylight bulbs in here, and I'm really hoping it brightens this place up even before I put I bought 4 4-foot shop lights that I'm going to hang in the back. So I'm really hoping the bulbs help it out before I install my bigger lights. But anyways, let's get on with installing these new LED bulbs just to see if it makes any difference. All right, half of them's in so far. So all of these are the daytime or the daylight LED, and then those are the old bulbs, the orange looking bulbs. So to me, this side looks a lot brighter. So let's go to this side. So this side, the camera might not do it justice, but this side's a lot brighter right now. So now we're gonna get all these changed. We're probably going to change these in the garage door openers themselves. So we're going to get started on that. All right, we did get all these older bulbs switched out to the LED. It's a lot brighter in here. What do you all think? So I'm going to turn the camera around. I'm going to give you all a pan of what it looks like now. I'll do like the before and after. Yeah, it's much brighter in here. So the LEDs are indeed a lot brighter than the older style bulbs, which I mean, I kind of figured they would be.
And they have a longer life.
Yeah. So if anybody's curious what I use these LED multi-use, and then they are the Daylight 500K. So yeah, my wife said we got them at Ace Hardware, so. Shout out to my wife and Zach for helping me with the garage today. Like I said, this garage was a mess, and we've been cleaning it up today, so I can do the reveal video for you all. Y'all see the reveal video way before you see this. We just want to go ahead and get these bulbs in while it was nighttime, just so we could see a difference or not. All right, guys, the camera might not do it justice, but it's a whole lot brighter in here. So these LED bulbs worked excellent. I won't do it this video, but in one of the future videos, I'm going to be putting those 4-foot shop lights up. So the last thing we're going to do in today's vlog is I'm going to cut these off so people can quit tripping over them. And they're quite annoying if you keep hitting them. So basically, we got my brand new Makita grinder here. I just bought this. I haven't yet to use it. I bought it just for that. And I figured I would need a grinder eventually anyways. So anyways, guys, let's get those cut off. All right, safety first, and these are really dirty. Been a while since I put these on. All right, like I said, got my Makita grinder, angle grinder. I've not used this yet, so let's just see how it goes. Alright, here's an update. Almost got the fourth one ground down. This probably isn't even meant for cutting. This is probably just for grinding. This is the blade that come with this, so probably just making this harder on myself, but this is all I have available right now. So anyways, 4 down, 4 to go. Let's continue on. All right, guys, so I thought there was 8 of them. There was only 7 of them, and I'm glad too, because I probably used the wrong blade on the grinder, and I probably just made it harder on myself, honestly, but we got it done. I'm gonna flip the camera around. I'm gonna show you what's up. So no more tripping. All right, now I'm gonna get this swept up, and that's probably gonna be the end of the vlog, guys. Good as new. No more tripping over studs in the floor. Another thing I didn't mention last video, in my garage rebuild video, is I plan on cleaning these floors really good, and I'd like to do that coating on them with the flakes in it. So, like I said, I'll probably add more to the list of things I want to do, but I really want to coat this floor in some kind of coating. Alright guys, that's where today's vlog is going to end. I hope you all are enjoying this series so far of me fixing my garage up. If you haven't already, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Lots more content coming. Follow me on Instagram at @BrianLewisVlog. Until next time.